Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to your own channel Civil Engineering 54 with a new lecture. In today's lecture we will discuss about different grade of concrete and water cement ratios. That for which grade of concrete how much water is required. Now before starting our today's lecture, dear friend, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and also please on bell icon to get notification about other civil engineering videos. Let's start our today lecture. Our today lecture has two parts. The first part is about grade of concrete and the second part is about their water cement ratio, that how much water is required for each grade of concrete. So first we will know about grade of concrete. Concrete are classified into different grades on the basis of their compressive strength. Compressive strength means that the hardness achieved by concrete after 28 days. We have different grades of concrete. The first one is M5, the second one is M7.5, the third one is M10, the fourth one is M15, the fifth one is M20 and the last one is M30. Here an important question arises related to interview, that what is meant by M and what is meant by the number and the grade of concrete. If we talk about M5 grade of concrete, the letter M represents the max design ratio, while the number 5 represents its compressive strength after 28 days in Newton per millimeter square. Similarly, if we talk about the M7.5 grade of concrete, the M represents its max design ratio, while the number 7.5 represents its compressive strength in Newton per millimeter square after 28 days. Now let's move toward our today lecture second part. We know that we have different grades of concrete and for different grade of concrete there are different max design ratio, and max design ratio value depend upon cement, sand and aggregate. We know that we have different grade of concrete which are M5, M7.5, M10, M15 and M20. For these grade of concrete there are different mix design ratios. For M5 grade of concrete we used 1 ratio 5 ratio 10. For M7.5 we use 1 ratio 4 ratio 8. For M10 we use 1 ratio 3 ratio 6. For M15 we use 1 ratio 2 ratio 4. For M20 grade of concrete we use 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. Here we see different mix design ratio for different grade of concrete. Now we will see about water required for each bag of cement for each grade of concrete. For M5 grade of concrete we required 46 liters of water. For M7.5 grade of concrete we required 39 liters of water. For M10 grade of concrete we required 34 liters of water. For M15 grade of concrete we required 30 liters of water, and for M20 grade of concrete we required 27 liters of water. These all values are according to the standards. So friend, in our today lecture we discuss about grades of concrete and their water cement ratio, which is mostly asking in interview that for which grade of concrete which mix design ratio is required and how much water is required for each grade of concrete. So friend, this was our today lecture. If you like today lecture, please like this video and share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in next lecture. Thank you.